Cheers! I'm over here making clam chowder, and I got 4 slices of bacon browning up.
Okay, so my bacon was crispy, and I just added cubed carrots and cubed celery. You can also add onion and garlic. So I'm going to let this soften just a little bit, and I'm going to add my cubed potatoes. Okay, so we're doing a little RV cooking here. I just added in my cubed potatoes. And what I do is I freeze my cubed potatoes. I just cut them in cubes, throw them in a Ziploc bag and freeze them. And another Ziploc bag, I had my carrots and my celery. You can also add onions and garlic if you like for your clam chowder. And again, I'm just making clam chowder for 2 people. So I'm using a small quart-sized pot. So what I did is I sauteed about 4 slices of bacon. I threw in some cubed potato, probably added up to maybe about potato and a half. A couple of carrots cubed and celery. Okay, so now I've taken some water and I just added enough water to cover everything. And now I'm going to bring it to a boil until vegetables soften. And I'm going to probably add about 1 teaspoon of chicken broth powder. Okay, so my potatoes are tender. I added about 1.5 teaspoons of chicken bouillon. And now I'm going to add my clams and my milk and enough flour to thicken. Okay, so I've added probably about 1/2 cup of milk to this. I've also added a can of whole baby clams along with the juice. So now I'm going to mix up a slurry of cornstarch and a little milk to get this thickened up base. So now I've added, like I said, I added about 1/2 cup, 3/4 cup of milk, added my clams, and then added some cornstarch, and I made a slurry with it with the milk. And I added that in here, and now look how nice and thick this is coming out. So now you've got some clam chowder. I'm going to just top it off with a little salt and pepper and drop in a pat of butter to make it nice and shiny. And otherwise, clam chowder's done.
Okay, so the clam chowder is done, and now I'm making toast, and you gotta be creative in the Roadtrek, so I'm making my toast in a frying pan where I just add some butter and some garlic and cook both sides till they're golden brown. I hope you enjoyed my video on making clam chowder up at Westport Beach in Northern California. You've been road trekking with Row and Low. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. Have a great day and happy RVing.